time yet. Cause you know us Jamaicans, we don't really like to go out when it's cold. And I have to nurse our little cubs in the back. No problem, baby. Me I go look outside for you, alright? Hold on a second. What? It's still snowing. That's right. Go back to bed. Come on, let's jump him. Oh yes, we shall jump him. Oh, he doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've lots of corn to pop in. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh my goodness.